This is going to be a short video just to show Recreus has their settings available online, and you can download them and you can then put them into Cura. And I tried the print settings yesterday and they're actually a lot better than the ones that I've set up. So I just want to really quickly go over where you download them, what I have changed, because I will be using these settings moving forward and I wasn't planning on making another video to explain the whole process. I'm gonna work a bit more modular, and this one is just gonna be about the print settings. Oh, you know what? I think this is how it happened. So basically, when you look for the print parameters, they have this print profile download. That's actually where it is. So right now, what I want to do and why I wanted to make this video is I'm going to be printing with the white Filaflex, which is a 60A. I've never printed with it before. It's going to be really flexible. Apparently, I'm going to download, I guess it's this one. So I'm going to download that printing profile. I'm going to download that for Cura because obviously I'm working with Cura. And so here is the 60. So if we just look at what that means, download it, open it, file, open as project, select open. Okay, we can do that. So I'm going to download this. There we go. And then on Cura, I'm going to say file, open file, I guess. And then on what I've downloaded, these are the print settings. So I'm gonna go to install the 60 and I'm gonna say open. And then here they told us, okay, open as project. So it's an upload to the Sidewinder. Sure, fine. And there we go. If I go here, now I have downloaded their 60A settings. And so what do I want to change? Layer height is fine. Wall width, fine. Wall thickness, 3. No, that's going to be 1. All of that is probably fine. Top, bottom, don't want any. Infill density, so for this one, I'm gonna start with 5% again, and I'm going to print lines this time. So infill distance, all of that is probably fine. I'm not gonna change anything there. Printing temperature, this is actually a lot lower than what I was printing with before, and also lower than the 82. So 82A is 230 degrees, and this one apparently is 225 the best. Sure, I don't doubt it. So even the build plate does have a little bit of a temperature. I'll just leave that for what it is. Print speed is actually a lot higher than I had it set to, but it was printing really well, and so I'm gonna leave that as is. Travel, they have enabled retraction. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. So for now, I'm gonna leave it on, but highly likely, if the first print doesn't really turn out that good, I'll probably turn that back off. Cooling, fine. Support, none, that's fine. Build plate adhesion, I don't want any, so that is okay. These probably didn't touch any of that either, so I'll just leave that for what it is. And then obviously I don't really care for this, so I'm gonna try and slice it again, see if it works. Let's see for triangles. This is definitely not 20% triangles. I don't know if this is the design I have chosen or something else. Let me restart it. Maybe I should turn off the bottom layers as well. I think this may have been the issue. Slice. There we go, so now it's working. Okay, so for the top, bottom, everything 0. top bottom thickness, the amount of top layers, the amount of bottom layers, everything 0. And then after that, we can now set it to 5%, and then I'm gonna set it at lines. And there we go. That's the next one. See you later.